Hey everyone, welcome back to T-Auto. If your car's battery keeps dying and your dashboard is showing a battery warning light, you might be dealing with a faulty alternator. In this video, we're going to walk you through how to diagnose and fix an alternator that's not charging your battery. First, let's confirm the problem. If your battery light is on, your headlights dim when revving the engine, or your battery keeps dying even though it's new, your alternator may not be doing its job. Use a multimeter to test the battery voltage with the engine off. It should read around 12.6 volts. Now start the engine. If the voltage drops or doesn't rise above 13.5 volts, your alternator likely isn't charging the battery. Before we jump into replacing parts, check the basics. Inspect the alternator belt. Is it tight and in good shape? If it's cracked, worn, or loose, that could be the issue. Also check the wiring connections at the alternator and battery. Look for loose, corroded, or broken wires. And don't forget to check the fuses related to the charging system. A blown fuse is an easy fix. Next, test the alternator output. With the engine running, use the multimeter to measure voltage directly at the alternator's output terminal. If there's voltage there, but not at the battery, the issue is likely in the wiring between the alternator and battery. Some alternators also have an external voltage regulator. If yours does, test or replace that too. But most modern alternators have the regulator built in. If everything checks out and it's still not charging, it's time to remove the alternator. Always disconnect the battery first to stay safe. Then loosen the belt, unbolt the alternator, and disconnect the wiring. Once it's out, you can inspect the internal components like the brushes, bearings, and regulator if you're comfortable opening it up. Often, it's easier and more cost-effective to replace the alternator with a new or rebuilt unit. Make sure the replacement has the same amperage rating as the original. Install it, reconnect the wiring and belt, and tighten everything down. Reconnect the battery, start the engine, and test the voltage again. If you're seeing between 13.8 to 14.5 volts, your alternator is now charging properly. And that's it. You just fixed an alternator that wasn't charging your battery. If this helped you out, give the video a like, subscribe to T-Auto, and leave a comment if you have questions or want to share your experience. Thanks for watching, and I'll see you in the next one.